Hi, good morning to everybody. Good morning. So, let us start our today's session. Yeah, in the last class, we discussed about the various types of fertilizations or syngamy present in plant kingdom, as well as few details regarding bryophytes. And now, I am going to explain about pteridophytes. Let us take about pteridophytes. So, when it comes to the pteridophytes, pteridophytes are considered to be first tracheophytes. What are they? First tracheophytes. What do you mean by tracheophytes? They have vascular tissues. They have vascular tissues. Understood? So that is why they are called, said to be first tracheophytes. And apart from that, they are true land plants. True land plants. Whereas for bryophytes, I said they are primitive land plants. But now I am saying that these pteridophytes are true land plants. That means these pteridophytes are well adapted to the land habit when compared to bryophytes. Why? Because in case of pteridophytes, mechanical tissues are formed. Whereas in bryophytes, the plant body is composed of only with parenchyma. But in pteridophytes, you can see mechanical tissues like sclerenchyma, parenchyma is also there. So, they are well adapted to the land habit. So, sclerenchyma, parenchyma, these are all different types of tissues. Don't get confused. Okay. So, they are well adapted to the land plants. That's why they are called true land plants. Apart from this, these pteridophytes, they are also archegoniates. Archegoniates. That means they do have archegonium as female sex organ. The female sex organ is archegonium. Understood? And they are also embryophytes. Embryophytes. That means embryo is produced here. And one more important thing, you can call them as seedless tracheophytes. Seedless tracheophytes, that they have vascular tissues but they do not produce seeds. So therefore, they are seedless tracheophytes. Understood? So they are seedless tracheophytes. And most important thing, in case of bryophytes, what is the dominant phase? It is gametophyte, right? Whereas in pteridophytes, unlike bryophytes, here dominant phase is sporophyte. Sporophyte is dominant. That's very important. And the sporophyte is well differentiated into root, stem and leaves. Root, stem and leaves. What about in case of bryophytes? Do you find this kind of organization in bryophytes? Root, stem and leaf organization? Can you answer? Do you find root, stem and leaf organization in bryophytes? Means true root, true stem, true leaf. I am asking. I am asking about true root, true stem, true leaf organization. Say yes or no. So there is no such organization in case of bryophytes. That's good. Whereas in pteridophytes, the body is well differentiated into true root, true stem, true leaf. This is sporophyte. You can find root, stem and leaf in the body. And one more important thing, these pteridophytes, the gametophyte is thalloid. What is it? Thalloid. Gametophyte is thalloid. And this thalloid gametophyte, multicellular, mostly photosynthetic, multicellular and mostly photosynthetic, independent or free living, and short-lived phase, very important, short-lived phase of life cycle. So here few things you have to understand. One is, in case of pteridophytes, both sporophyte and gametophyte are independent. Whereas in bryophytes, sporophyte depends on gametophyte, but here both are independent. And apart from that, let me tell one more important thing here, that in case of all bryophytes are said to be homosporous. Listen to me carefully. Whereas in pteridophytes, most members are homosporous and some are heterosporous. Let me explain what is this homosporous and heterosporous. Some guys are continuously wasting your time by unnecessary chit chat. You can do all this chit chat in your personal social media, not in this platform. Understood? So stop giving such unnecessary introductions or requesting phone numbers or address, all those details. No, because I have to get the response. So if you continue the same scenario, I may ask the technician to stop the charting. You want that? If I ask them to stop the charting, then even you cannot answer the questions that I am asking during the class, or even you cannot ask your doubts. If you want that, or you want to maintain a proper discipline in the classroom. Just decide yourself, because it is not correct, no, like just you are wasting, you are not, most of them are not, not most, some people are just wasting time chit-chatting with your other classmates. Okay, so that is not correct. See, this platform is meant for to enrich your basic knowledge in every subject. The same complaint is made by other teachers too, like physics teacher was saying the same, chemistry teacher as well as zoology teacher. So it's not right, it is not correct from your side, right? So if I found any kind of unnecessary chit chats among yourself, just give message only for those questions that I am asking. You must type, you must send the message only to questions asked by the teacher. Understood? So remember this. If I found any other than the subject messages, I'll simply ask the technician to stop messaging. Yeah. So some people asking me for excuse. Okay, thank you. Okay, it's okay, no problem. So now let us go back. So here I said bryophytes, all bryophytes are homosporous. Whereas with regard to the pteridophytes, most of them are homosporous, some are heterosporous. What do you mean by homosporous and heterosporous? Let us see first. Homosporous, that means here in this case the sporophyte produces only one kind of spores. Only one kind of spores. Understood? Whereas heterosporous members, here the sporophyte produces two kinds of spores. Two kinds of spores. Let me explain what are the two kinds of spores. One is microspore and the other one is mega or macrospore. Remember, the sporophyte produces two kinds of spores. That is why they are heterosporous. If sporophyte produces only one kind of spore, then it is called homosporous. Now, we have some examples for heterosporous species. Say, for example, Selaginella. What is the example? Selaginella. And the other one is Salvinia. Selaginella and Salvinia. So these are heterosporous example. Salvinia is a hydrophytic pteridophyte. Remember, hydrophytic pteridophyte. Similarly, there are also so many homosporous species. We have some examples like Pteris, Dryopteris, Adiantum, etc. There are so many examples are there. These are some important examples that you can take. Pteris, Dryopteris, Adiantum, etc. So many are there. So these are the some important things. And one more important aspect that you must know here is, in case of homosporous species, I said one type of spores are produced, and these spores on germination they form a gametophyte. In pteridophytes, this gametophyte is also called prothallus. What is it called? prothallus. Yes, equisetum is also homosporous species. Prothallus. Now, this prothallus is monoecious prothallus or monoecious gametophyte. Can anybody tell what do you mean by monoecious? What do you mean by monoecious? I'm waiting for your reply. What do you mean by monoecious? If you know, then message me. Otherwise, say you don't know. Pick. What do you mean by monoecious? Ayan Sharan, you was saying one type. Don't know. Some Keshav Prasad, don't know. Okay. Okay. Movable. No. So most of them don't know about what is monoecious. Okay. Same type, don't know. Don't know. Okay. Okay. So mono means single gamete. No, wrong. No, wrong. Both the male and female reproductive organs. Okay. You came close. Pushpavarshika. Yeah. Now let me explain what is monoecious and dioecious. Listen to me carefully. So it is clear that you don't know about these terms. Like, right? Now listen to me here. Listen to me here. I'm now discussing about lower groups. Lower groups in the sense, let us take algae, bryophytes, and pteridophytes. Here, monoecious means bisexual and dioecious means unisexual. So be clear. I'm speaking in relation to the lower groups like algae, bryophytes and pteridophytes. In monoecious, both male and female sex organs are present on the same plant. On one plant, you can find both male and female sex organs. That is called monoecious here. Whereas dioecious in the sense, here male sex organs and female sex organs are present on different plants. Different plants. If a plant has monoecious sex organs, then you can call it as male plant. So here you can find a separate male plant and separate female plant. Understood? That is dioecious. So this is the case in lower groups of plants like algae, bryophytes and pteridophytes. And of course, even in case of gymnosperms also you can take. But in case of angiosperms, this terminology slightly differs. Listen to me carefully. In case of angiosperms, now I am saying with respect to the angiosperms. In angiosperms, there is plant with bisexual flowers. there is also monoecious plants. There is also dioecious plants. Plants with bisexual flowers, monoecious plants, dioecious plants. So, in angiosperm, you should not use bisexual to monoecious. Understood? Is it clear? Look at here. What did I tell here? Monoecious is nothing but bisexual. In which groups? In lower group. Dioecious is nothing but unisexual in lower groups. But when it comes to angiosperms, the definition is slightly different. Here, there is plant with bisexual flowers. That means here, the plant contain only bisexual flowers. That means here, a single flower contain stamens and carpels. I already told carpel is nothing but gynoecium. Both are present in a single flower, that is bisexual flower. Whereas monoecious plant in the sense here, a single plant contain male flowers and female flowers. Don't get confused. A single plant contain male flowers and female flowers. Here, a single flower contain both male sex organ and female sex organ. Whereas here, male sex organ is present in one flower, female sex organ is present in other flower, and both flowers are present on the same plant. That is monoecious. Got it? Whereas dioecious, here male flowers present on male plant, female flowers are present on female plant. Female flowers present on female plant. That means here, so this is unisexual flower, this is also unisexual flower. Monoecious plants have unisexual flowers. Dioecious plants also have unisexual flowers. But both unisexual flowers are present on the same plant, then it is called monoecious. If both unisexual flowers are present on different plants, then it is called dioecious. Understood? Is it clear for all of you? And one guy is saying live streaming is stucking. It may be that may be trouble at your site, like you may have very low speed internet. Okay, check your internet speed. So others are getting, normally, like for others there is no problem at all. Okay, now, so have you got the clarity about these things like angiosperms and lower groups? So in case of lower groups, monoecious represents bisexual and dioecious represents unisexual. Whereas in higher plants like angiosperms, monoecious is nothing but a single plant with male flower and female flower. Dioecious is nothing but different plants will have the unisexual flowers, like one plant contain male flower and other plant contain female flower. There is also plant with bisexual flower. I will give you some examples to remember these bisexual flowers. Take example, plant with bisexual flower, China rose. Have you seen the China rose? China rose. Do you know about China rose? China rose is the best example for it. For monoecious plant, of course, you might have observed, just for information sake, I am giving you the best example for monoecious plant, cucurbita. Do you know what is this cucurbita? That is pumpkin. Pumpkin. So pumpkin is one example for monoecious plant. So where a single plant contains both male flowers and female flowers. And let me give example for dioecious plant, that is Carica papaya. Do you know papaya plant? So papaya plant is example. So in papaya plant, male plant is different and female plant is different. Both male and female flowers are not present in the same plant. They are present on different plant. That is why it is dioecious. Have you got the clarity now? Have you got the clarity? Yeah. So I already told you can write the information, and if you want you can just take the screenshots now, and after that, like in the afternoon session, you can copy it, the same information into your notebook. So this is what you can see here. Now look at here, whereas here gametophytes are different. Like say if you take monoecious, say for example the bryophytes. In bryophytes again we have two kinds of gametophytes. There are some monoecious gametophytes, there are also some dioecious gametophytes. Now I am saying with respect to the bryophytes. So in bryophytes we have gametophyte, two kinds of gametophytes here. Monoecious gametophytes. Monoecious gametophyte. Example for monoecious gametophyte, funaria, or simply to say all moss plants, funaria, sphagnum, polytrichum, etc. And we also have dioecious gametophytes here. Dioecious gametophytes. Example, Marchantia. Marchantia is the example. Okay. Similarly, let us see with respect to the pteridophytes. So pteridophytes, here there is monoecious gametophyte. Example, Pteris, Dryopteris, Adiantum, Lycopodium, Equisetum. There are so many examples. If I go on giving, it takes total 1 hour. Next, similarly, in case of pteridophytes, so we have homosporous pteridophytes where only one kind of spores are produced, and this spore become a gametophyte or prothallus, which is monoecious gametophyte. And the second important thing, there is also heterosporous members here. Heterosporous members. Here, two kinds of spores are produced. Two kinds of spores. What are they? I said that it is microspore and the other one is macro or megaspore. Anything you can call. You can call it as macrospore or megaspore. So on the basis of the size, we have difference. Next, when it comes to the microspore, microspore on germination gives, on germination gives a male gametophyte. What does it gives? Male gametophyte. Similarly, megaspore also on germination gives female gametophyte. That means here gametophytes are what kind of gametophytes? What kind of gametophytes that heterosporous members have? Now tell me. I am waiting for your reply. What kind of gametophytes that the heterosporous species have in their life cycle? What kind of gametophytes I am asking? Yes, Nishant. Good. Mr. Shadow, X Shadow, I told I'll be giving time to clarify your doubts on the tag ends of our class. Like last 10 minutes, I'll be allotting time for to clarify doubts. Just go on, listen to the class, and if you get any doubt, write it on a paper and keep it with you. Once the class is completed, when I ask for your doubts, then you can post your doubt. Okay, yeah, that's good. So many of them giving the correct answer. So they have what kind of gametophytes? Dioecious gametophytes. Dioecious gametophytes. Whereas here monoecious gametophytes. And we also have some examples like Selaginella and Salvinia. And one most important thing that you must remember here is, though pteridophytes are true land plants and they are well adapted to the land habit, still they need water for their fertilization, just like bryophytes. Just like bryophytes, they need water for their fertilization. That is why, though they are land plants, you cannot see them in all kinds of habitats. That they have a restricted or narrow geographical distribution, that they grow only nearer to the water bodies. Why? Because their fertilization again needs water, because their male gametes are also motile. Understood? This is very, 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 very important. So, they also have this restricted geographical distribution. So, these things are very important with respect to these pteridophytes. Have you got the clarity now? Have you got the clarity? Yeah. If you want to take screenshots, you can take screenshots first. This slide. Then after this, take this one also. And then take this one also. Yeah. So this is enough for today, and we'll continue our class tomorrow also. Like tomorrow we'll go with gymnosperms and angiosperms simultaneously. We'll complete plant kingdom by tomorrow, and day after tomorrow onwards we'll go with morphology. Okay, the new chapter. Now you can ask your doubts. When classes will be started to elite batch? That I don't know. You just contact with your administrators. Talk to principal or vice principal or dean or coordinator. Okay. It is not my duty. How to take screenshot? Oh, I cannot come there and teach you, man. Screenshot, there is a method. There are different mobiles. They use different ways. In some mobiles, just if you swap your 3 fingers on the screen, the screenshot will come out. And in some mobiles, you may have to use your power buttons as well as volume button. And some mobiles, they have a specific icon also to take the screenshot. So you can follow as per your mobile type. Why are dioecious plants genetically more diverse than monoecious plant? That I will tell you. when we go for sexual reproduction, Miss Pushpa Varshika, not now. I will tell you, because it is all linked with pollination chapter. So there you will get the clarity about your question. When to buy new NCERT? I will inquire today or tomorrow whether new edition has come or not. If new edition is arrived, then I'll inform you in the class, like most probably in the next week, so that after that you can buy. If new edition is not yet came, then don't buy it now. Okay. In the meantime, you can take state book, our AP state book. The state book contain information like very much similar to the old NCERT book. Salvinia is meant by what, sir? Salvinia is a hydrophytic pteridophyte and it is a heterosporous species. That's what I am saying, Mr. Karthik. Don't buy it now. You buy the NCERT book. Instead of NCERT book, you buy AP state book. Okay. Next. Do we have to learn the scientific names of all these plants? Are absolutely. Compulsorily you have to learn. Compulsorily. Not only these examples. I am just giving only 1 or 2 examples. For each group, you will have many examples. Many examples. Understood? So, suppose if a farmer has only one plant of papaya in his field, will it produce fruits? No, it cannot. Of course, now we have hybrid variety. They are also trying to induce parthenocarpy in some cases. Parthenocarpy is nothing but production of fruits without seed. So, if you plant a parthenocarpic papaya plant, there is possibility. If it is a normal sexual braid, you cannot. Fern and equisetum also can include examples of pteridophytes. Yes, you are right. You are right, Srinivasa Rao. You are right. Under which cadre does the carnivorous plants fall? Angiosperms. Priyanshu, it is angiosperms. What is salvinia? Salvinia is a pteridophytic plant. What is angiosperm? Angiosperm, I already told in the last before class, it is a group of plants, and of course tomorrow I am going to give you much more details about angiosperms. Angiosperm, like normal fruit giving plants. Okay, I'll explain you about angiosperms in tomorrow class, then you will get clarity. Don't worry. Yeah, just for example, take your wheat plant. Wheat, have you seen wheat, rice, China rose? These are all angiosperms. China rose, tamarind, so many. Mango is an angiosperm. There are so many plants. Yeah. Any more doubts? Any more doubts? That's what I told. Salvinia is a dioecious pteridophyte. Algae also have dioecious and monoecious. You are right. So those examples now not required. In your offline class we'll give, because if I go on giving every example, you will fed up with botany. Selaginella is also a pteridophyte. So I think you missed all the previous classes. I think you joined just today. That's why you are asking all these doubts. Hibiscus is angiosperm. Yes, it is angiosperm. Angiosperm. Selaginella is also a pteridophyte. Pteridophyte, I said this almost for 10 times. Pteris is a homosporous pteridophyte. Yes, Mr. Harik Hakaishin. Yes. Pteridophyte. Pteris is a homosporous species. Why angiosperms are included? Include the gynoecium. Gynoecium is the female sex organ. Gynoecium is the female sex organ. He is again asking the same thing. Salvinia is a pteridophyte. Salvinia is a pteridophytic plant. Pteridophytic plant. I am saying the same thing. Day before yesterday, I have also shown you some diagrams of Salvinia, Selaginella, Lycopodium. I think you are not there in that class. That's why you are asking the same doubt. Okay. So don't worry. Again, tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I will show you the pictures once again so that you will get clarity. So what is same? Next, dioecious plants in a shortcut. Dioecious is nothing but where male and female sex organs, male and female flowers are present on different plants. Male and female flowers are present on different plants, or male and female sex organs are present on different plants. No, Pushpavarshika, you are going to details of pollination. Monoecious plants don't have self-pollination, remember. So their pollination type is not self-pollination. Don't go into the details because it needs a lot of prior discussion. Today only I join how to listen all the previous classes. Yeah, they're all available. Who is that guy? Yeah, some guy, his name is not clearly visible there. So you can watch all those videos. It is already available in YouTube channel. What is the channel name, sir? Srichaitanya. Chaitanya Gosala channel. Yeah, it is already given there. You can check. You can check. It is pinned in your comment box. You can check. You can go there and you can watch all the previous videos. There are many videos. Okay. Yesterday and day before yesterday, I haven't attended to the classes due to health issues. Okay, Mr. Priyanshu. No, it is not possible now to explain all those classes because it is all time restricted. Now already time is completed. So you can watch my classes in YouTube. So they're all available in our channel, in our campus channel. Okay, you go to campus channel and watch there. Next, that's all. Thank you very much for today. This is enough, and tomorrow we'll go with some other topic. Thank you. Bye. Bye to all.